Do you ever feel like your body's stuck in a perpetual tug of war with cravings and stubborn weight? Like no matter what you try, the scale barely budges and that belly fat just won't budge? You're not alone. And you've probably been told that the only way out involves expensive, invasive solutions. But what if I told you your body already has the ultimate fat-burning superpower just waiting to be unleashed? Imagine shedding 10, even 15 pounds in as little as 7 days without a single injection, without side effects, and without breaking the bank. This isn't a quick fix. It's a profound metabolic reset, a journey to reclaim your natural energy and effortless fat loss. Many of us are living in a metabolic trap. Our bodies are wired for survival, excellent at storing energy, especially when we feed them the wrong signals. We've been taught to rely on quick fixes that offer temporary relief, but often leave us worse off in the long run. They can strip away vital muscle, lead to frustrating weight rebound, and pile on uncomfortable side effects. Your body is designed to burn fat efficiently, to thrive on its own internal fuel reserves. So, let's stop fighting against it and start working with it. The secret lies in addressing a silent culprit: cellular inflammation. When your cells are inflamed, your body struggles to access and burn fat. It gets stuck perpetually burning sugar, leading to constant hunger and that persistent belly fat. This 7-day blueprint is your guide to breaking free. Let's dive into your transformation. The 7-day metabolic blueprint. Days 1 and 2, clearing the pathway. The first 2 days are all about decluttering your internal environment, removing the metabolic roadblocks. Think of it as spring cleaning for your cells. First, banish the obvious sugar. This includes not just the sweet stuff, but also hidden sugars in processed foods. Become a label detective. Next, remove the stealth saboteurs, inflammatory seed oils. These common fats wreak havoc at a cellular level, fueling inflammation and shutting down fat burning. You'll find them lurking in most processed snacks, dressings, and fried foods. Here are the main oils to avoid: canola, corn, cottonseed, sunflower, safflower, soybean, rice bran, grapeseed. Instead, swap them for fats that nourish your cells and support fat burning. Embrace the richness of butter, ghee, beef tallow, coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. This shift alone will feel like a flood of energy and a reduction in bloat. Third, eat real food. If it doesn't have an ingredient list because it is the ingredient, like a whole potato, a piece of fruit, eggs, or quality meat, you're on the right track. Move away from anything packaged or processed. Finally, hydrate with intention. Drink plenty of pure spring water and add a pinch of high-quality sea salt. As your body shifts away from sugar burning, it naturally releases excess water and stored sodium. Replenishing your electrolytes is key to sustained energy and warding off those initial withdrawal symptoms. This stops the blood sugar roller coaster dead in its tracks. Days 3 and 4, recalibrating your engine. By now, you've removed the major interferences. Your body is ready for the next level, teaching it to run on fat, not sugar. First, drastically reduce carbohydrates to under 50 grams per day. Carbs are the primary driver of insulin, your fat storage hormone. When insulin is high, fat burning is locked down. Replace those carbs with abundant protein and healthy fats. Focus on satisfying, nutrient-dense meals that keep you full and energized. Simple apps can help you track this if you choose. Second, awaken your liver with bitter foods. Your liver is your body's ultimate detox and fat-processing powerhouse. Bitter foods stimulate bile production, which is essential for breaking down dietary fats and eliminating toxins. Incorporate items like arugula, lemon and lime water, especially before meals. Apple cider vinegar, diluted in water, before meals, a powerful ally. Artichokes, good quality black coffee. Third, introduce time-restricted eating. A 16-hour fast with an 8-hour eating window. This means concentrating all your meals within an 8-hour block, giving your body a longer period to rest, repair, and burn fat. For example, if your last meal is at 6 p.m., your next meal won't be until 10 a.m. the following morning. During the fasting window, stick to water, sea salt, or unsweetened tea. This significantly lowers insulin and kicks your body into deeper fat-burning mode. By the end of day 4, many people report feeling lighter, more energetic, and incredibly clear-headed. Days 5 and 6, deep clean and optimization. Now we're deepening the reset, pushing your body into even more profound healing and fat-burning states. First, extend your fasting window to 18 hours with a 6-hour eating window. This often means skipping breakfast entirely and having your first meal around midday. This longer fast intensifies fat burning, boosts the production of ketones, natural brain fuel, and further reduces inflammation. Prepare to feel like a rock star. Next, support your cellular powerhouses. Your mitochondria are tiny engines within your cells that convert fat into energy. Help them thrive with magnesium, especially before bed, 400 to 600 milligrams. This can also improve sleep. Also, consider taking a vitamin B complex supplement. Third, prioritize movement. Aim for at least 10,000 steps daily. A fantastic strategy is to take a 10-minute walk after each meal. This simple act aids digestion, improves insulin sensitivity, and directly supports fat burning. During these days, a powerful process called autophagy is ramping up. This is your body's natural cellular way to seek out and recycle old, damaged cells and inefficient mitochondria, literally cleaning house and optimizing your body for peak performance. Day 7, the ultimate system reboot. The final day of your reset is a powerful metabolic accelerator, a 24-hour water fast. If you finished eating at 6 p.m. on day 6, your next meal will be at 6 p.m. on day 7. For this entire 24-hour period, you'll consume only water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. This complete pause for your digestive system offers incredible benefits. It allows your gut lining to heal, supporting a healthier microbiome. Inflammation levels plummet. Deep fat tapping. Your body has no choice but to rely entirely on stored fat for energy. Autophagy. That cellular cleanup process goes into overdrive, leaving you feeling truly renewed. Your new beginning. This 7-day protocol isn't just about dropping pounds, it's about reclaiming your vitality. It's about teaching your body to operate as the efficient fat-burning machine it was always meant to be. This approach is more effective, infinitely cheaper, and comes with zero unwanted side effects compared to pharmaceutical interventions. You'll discover a renewed sense of energy, deeper, more restful sleep, and a profound shift in your confidence. Your clothes will fit differently, your mind will be clearer, and those nagging cravings will be a distant memory. Remember, always consult your doctor before starting any new dietary protocol, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. Don't obsess over calorie counting. Instead, focus on those carb limits from day 3 onwards. Consistency is key. Even if you're 80% compliant, you'll see incredible results. Look beyond the scale. Notice your energy levels, how your clothes feel, your sleep quality, and the glow in your skin. These are all powerful signs of success. You have the power to transform your health. Give this 7-day metabolic reset a try and witness the incredible potential within your own body. Unlock your natural fat-burning power. If you're ready to embrace your body's natural wisdom, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs this message. Your journey to metabolic freedom starts now.